Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox everything that is here in this video. Let's get started right now. It's from the same seller that I bought from a little while ago when I bought, you know, all those Yoongi's photocards on Instagram. I'll link, of course, below the name of the Instagram account. So I'm super excited. As you can see, this is a lot of stuff. So everything's always packaged so well. Let's start with these. So I have two of them. This is the BTS Sports War Love Yourself merch, and it's the mini foot cards, as you can see. So they are both officials, and here, as you can see, this is Jimin's set. So here is 8 out of 8. Seven out of 8. I guess this is 6. Oh, I shouldn't put them here. So 5, 4, 3. I love the flowers. 2, and last but not least, 1. And next, here we have Suga, so Yoongi's version. This is the Japanese collection, if you couldn't already tell. So I guess this is 8, yes. Seven. I love that one, he's so pretty. Oh, this is 2, so this is 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. He's so cute. Oh, I love that one. 4. 5. Oh, this one is my favorite. 6. And I guess this is 7. Yay. Okay. Next, let's go with this. So here we have Jimin's Happy Ever After BTS Japan Fan Meeting Volume 4 selfie photocard, and we have Yoongi. This is for someone on Instagram that is willing to trade her Jimin photocard from Young Forever with this Jungkook. So yeah, let me tell you something. In the last clip I opened this, you know, the yellowish envelope, and I didn't see this part. So yes, I'm stupid. So I'm going to open it right now. So we have here one of my favorite era postcards. Sorry if the camera moves, I'm on my bed because my desk is a mess. Okay. So there's this postcard of Namjoon. So cute. And here's the back. It's when they were in the Run era, I think. I think it was Run. Yoongi's so beautiful. I don't know if I've said it before, but this hair color was everything. And I have, no, it's not these shoes that I have, but I have the beige ones. So this is for the postcards, and then a few more for the cards here. So, as you can see, here is Yoongi's Memories 2017 photo card from the regular DVD. I love because blue is my favorite color. Said it before, and he's just so cute. So that's this, and then last one is this. And Run era was also my favorite. Was one of my favorite era because of Namjoon's pink hair. It was just so iconic. And yeah, here's the 2015 BTS live on stage, and he's just so wonderful. Love this so much. So today I have this photo card that I'm so excited about. I believe it's the Love Shot photo card from Chanyeol. So here. Ta-da! Oh my god, he's so cute. So cute. It's like the photo card that I really wanted in Love Shot and didn't get it, but yeah. Here it is. This is just so freaking cute. So I joined a group order a few months ago now, and I just received a part of it. So it is from this Europe group manager. It's Haru My Day, I think, on Twitter, and it's for European. So this is the OMJ, which is Oh My Sugar 2019 Season's Greetings, and as a gift you get this acrylic standee. Let's open that. Here it is, so cute. And then put it on here. So that's cute. And next, the everything. So I'm so bad at opening things, you know this. So, ooh, that's so beautiful. This is so pretty. This little picture of Yoongi, so beautiful. And then here we have more poster set. That's what it's called. This one, oh my god. This one, this is so pretty. And ooh, dang. This was iconic. Next, we have the calendar. Very pretty. I believe everything is going to be, yeah, just a different picture here. Oh my god, his cheeks are just so adorable. Next we have this. Oh. Now I know I can open it here. So this is the calendar gifts. Ooh. So we get a few stickers. I love music, I love my life. With first date, CISO and CISO stickers. And then we get a memo pad of Oh My Sugar. And you get pictures. Yeah. This iconic day again, and the holo here. Very pure, very pretty. This I love. This is so beautiful. And then more pictures, I guess. This is such good quality. So that's all the pictures in the calendar. And the last things are the postcard set. So cute. Ah, this day was so nice too. The passion. And then on the other side, that's how it is. And for the pictures, the other side is like this. Today I received these two. I believe this is 2 Astro Albums. I recently started to collect this group because this is now my second top group. And yeah, so let's get started with this. And it is Astro. This is Spring Up, their first mini album. And here it is. We have the CD here. And as for the photo cards, here they are. We have a postcard first. And then for the photo cards, I'm so happy because there is Unwoo, which is my bias. Sanha. Sorry for the background noises, but the gardening thing is happening right now. And then another Unwoo, so I have both Spring Up, Onu, photo cards, I'm just so glad they're here. They're just so pretty, so cute. So here's this album. And then next, let's see what this is. Ooh, that's well protected. Oh, there's MCT's tape on it. And oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. This is the best purchase that I've ever did. This is Astro All Light album, and here is the signatures. Oh my god, I'm just so glad. Oh my god. So my first ever signed album. This is just so great. So the version is this one. Oh my god, they're just so pretty. I can't. And there's no photocards, but we have a few things anyway. So we have the postcards. We have the bigger postcard, the stickers, and let's see for the random member. And this is Rocky. So if you have Anu, let me know. And if you want Rocky, I'll trade gladly. And just like less than an hour later that I filmed the last clip, I received this. So let's see what this is. I have no idea. Oh, I guess this is a big Astro day because there's more of the All Light album. So let's get this. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Ooh. And ooh, I got little surprises. That's so cute. So I got this Yoon Sanha card, I guess. Okay. And then the two albums. Oh my god, this time I'm getting 4 cards. That is exciting. Let's start with this one, the green version. So these are, as you can see, unsigned. Okay. As usual, I only do a very quick flip through and not a full unboxing. It's more like a photo card reveal more than anything else. So let's see. Oh my god, this is so scary, actually. So let's get everything out. Oh my god, there's so many already. Oh my god. Okay. So again, you get the same card, the same free card and stuff. Let's see who I get. As for the lyric book, I got Moonbin. He's so beautiful. So again, if you're willing to trade for Anmu, let me know. And then the stickers, and you could already see I got Sanha. This one. Again, Sanha. Oh my god, I got so many Sanha. Moonbin. And Raki. Ooh, this one's so pretty. I love the glitters in their hair. So, no Anhu. This is so sad already. Okay, let's go with the white version. Or is it... No, I think it's the white version. Okay. So, for the book. So pretty. Ooh. I love it so much. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Please give me Anu. Please. Okay, so we have photocards like everywhere. Okay. All the photocards. Oh my god. So, this is the postcard that you get. And other, oh my god, the other postcards here. So beautiful. And I got Jinjin for the lyric book. So pretty. So Jinjin, my second bias actually. He was my very first bias. And okay, I don't think I got Anwoo. Oh my god. So Moonbin, Jinjin, Moonbin, and MJ. So I got all the members, but not my bias. What is this day? Oh my god. So everything is to trade for Anwoo. Nice, okay. So I have this package that I feel like is very lightly protected, and as you can hear, I am just scared that it is already open. So let's see. I'm very scared of the protection here. So yeah, it is open. Okay, so let's pray that nothing is damaged. Well, okay. So seems like there's no big damages on the box. Here a little bit bent, but it could have been worse. So why do I have this here? So this is the 4th mini album, Dream Part 1 of Astro. This is the night version, and boom, here you have the inside. It's very pretty, I love it. And then, oh, here's the CD. So pretty, I love the CD so much. And then you have this postcard and this Astro. You have this Astro to Soul little card. As for the photo cards, I have Sanha's transparent card and MJ's photo card. And the last one, Anu. Oh, it's flowers in his hair. So, perfect condition. So that's nice. And here's the photo book. This is very pretty. So cute. So cute. So this is the most exciting part of this unboxing, because this is Map of the Soul Persona Albums, all in this package that is huge. Like, oop, it just never ends. Anyway, so I also got this version. It's the version 2 that I got a few days ago that I unboxed with my mom, so I didn't capture it in a video. And I pulled Yoongi's postcard. So that's this, not to that I don't have to trade or pull. And then for the photocard I got JK, and I'm really happy because I decided not long ago that I wanted to collect this baby. So yeah, that's that. So I got very lucky with my BTS pulls, so that's that. And then we have all this now. So I have the set, I have the 4 versions and an Astro album. So let's get it. The set is here and another album here. So, of course, I'm going to start with Astro, and then we'll go with the Persona albums. So, very excited. And you saw that I got this, the night version in the last clip. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll get my baby Anu, because I still remember that all light unboxing. That was very, very, very sad. So let's see. I love this box. So, oh my god. Let's see. Okay, so I love the CD. The CD plate is just... nope. The CD plate is so pretty. This is so cute. And then the inside here, same, so cute. So let's see who I got. Okay, so this is just the usual postcard that you get. Okay, so first photo card. Jinjin! So cute. So cute. He's so adorable. And then second photo card, Sanha! And I'm, again, not lucky. And then, ooh, Moonbin! So, no Anu. As usual, I am very unlucky with him. I ult the most expensive one. So, yeah. Oh my god, he's so pretty. His eyes is just everything to me. Like, if I had to choose one thing that I love the most about Anu, physically, his eyes. So let's get into it, guys. Persona 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with 1. Okay, so hopefully I'll get Jimin, because I found Namjoon for a set for a decent price, so I hope I'll get Jimin or Yoongi, or JK of course, or Taehyung, because he's very easy to trade. So let's see. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So you get all this stuff, and okay. Ooh, I saw who I got, and I got Jungkook's photo card, and I'm so happy because this version I'm going to collect every member for this version. So very nice, very good pull. And then for the postcard, where are you? Here. I got Tae. So I will trade Taehyung for the 4 that I collect, of course. So very nice. And then I believe I didn't get the you know, the I didn't even get the film thing, did I? Oh yes, I did. So you get the transparent thing, but not the standee. Oh my god, I really want that standee. So version 2 that I already have, so please give me Jimin. Please, please, please give me Jimin. That will be so perfect. Oh, okay. So, okay. Sorry for my phone. Oh, I got... Okay, so that's not important. So I got Taehyung. So it's gonna be easy to get all the members that I don't have. And as for the photocard, where is it? Oh, my phone, come on. Okay, so won't be bothering us now. Okay, the photocard, where are you? Ooh, I think it's here. So, let's see, please be Jimin. Ooh, I got Hobie. Okay. Okay. Next, version 3. If I don't get Jimin in that version 4, I'm going to cry for sure. Because this is the only photocard I really want. Okay, so version 3. Okay, so we have the photocard, the film, where is the postcard? Oh, here. Ooh, I got JK for the postcard. And for the photocard, I got Hobie again! This is so hard to trade for the members that I collect. Okay, and last one. I think I don't have the standee. This is so sad. I only got lucky with JK's photocards. Okay, I really need that Jimin photocard here because this is going to be a pain in the ass to get it. Okay, so everything's here. This version is just great. And ooh, I got Jimin for the postcards. So I'm only missing Namjoon. So I'll trade this for Namjoon. Okay, I really need Jimin for this. Didn't get Jimin. Oh my god. Okay, so I got Seokjin. Every time I need Jimin for photocard, I get Jin. This is real. This happened. So yeah, that's all my pulls for the album. So yeah, if you are interested for Hobies and you have Jimin or Yoongi, let me know. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Bye!